So just down here in front of us is Saka Crater Lake. It's only a few kilometres outside of Fort Portal, and it's Saturday afternoon. It's just gone 3 o'clock. The sun's out. We're going to go for a little walk. As you can see, it's very beautiful, very green. There's things moving in the bushes. You can hear the birds tweeting. I don't know what, oh, we can't see it now. There's a big construction up on that hill. But I just got a boda out here, a motorcycle taxi, and it cost me 4,000 shillings, which is, it's about 80 pence or just over $1. So we should be down by the lake in a few minutes, and we'll try and see if there's any paths going around the lake. And it looks like someone's farming up ahead, looking after his cows. Couple of milk, couple of dairy cows. These cows are what we get in England, these black and white cows, but here they're considered exotic because they're imported from Europe. There's some goats up there. Cattle here have like huge horns, which would be very exotic in Europe. Oh, you can see it now, that construction up on that hill. I'm wondering if it's something to do with the military, that those are the dairy cows up there. So we're getting a pretty good view now. Check that out. So just behind you can see the start of the Rwenzori Mountains, and the ridge, it more or less just finishes over there. And then just over there there's another big lake. So you can see behind me the lake is quite big. It starts over there and it's like a bit of a C shape, and it goes right around to this other side. So I'm guessing that this road stops in a few meters down here and we'll be right at the lakeside. And I can see a jetty over there, but it looks nice on the other side because there's a lot of trees. I'm pretty sure we came down this road on the other side and the guys sent us back around this way. This can't be the only road leading up because I can't see any paths around here. Things moving in the grass. It's very nice. There's some people fishing down there. Let's go and have a look on this side. Bit of a fishing net there. It's more like trees here, so it's a bit more difficult to access the lakeside. It's a bit more open. You can get a nice view of it now. So somebody's growing cabbages over here, so I don't think we should walk through those. Don't think we should walk through the cabbage patch. It's quite nice here. It'd be good for camping here. Yeah, this is perfect here. Quite a nice view here for camping. Looks like a Rasta man fishing down here. He's got the Rasta hat on. So it's getting pretty overgrown on this side. A bit difficult to walk through because it's thick, at least a foot high with grass. And there'll be lots of things wriggling about in there. It's not advisable. Let's go and have a look up here. So the grass has been cut a bit shorter over here, but you need to be careful where you're treading because there's some little deep holes and you don't know what lives down there. I can hear something moving around in the trees behind me. But I heard a few branches snapping, so it must be something fairly heavy. So I'm just going to have a little sit down here for a few minutes and admire the view before I start to get ants in my pants. So I'm going to start walking back up here a little bit, and I think there's a road going up because I can see some people up there. So if we can gain a little bit of height, we might get some better views of the lake. So I'm going to go and check it out. I think it starts at that forest over there. It's very nice, very peaceful here. Lots of dragonflies. So we're just cutting through this little road, but it says access to students and staff only, so you never know, I might get turned back. So we're gaining a bit of elevation here, a few metres above the lake, so we're getting a better view. We'll just go around here, just go up here a little bit, just to the end of these pine trees, and we should be able to get quite a nice view. It's getting a bit overcast though, the sun's coming out again. It's quite humid. I can see in the distance people standing on that other hill over there. So that's a pretty good view now, isn't it? So I think we've come more or less to the ridge, just a few more metres. And they've got some man-made fish ponds down there. There's a little sign, access to the fish ponds. And I can just see them down there. There's 3 of them, 3 man-made fish ponds. So this is as high as it gets here. Pretty nice view. I can see cattle grazing over there. It's definitely one of the best views, unless you can get up on that mountain over there. I bet you can quite easily. I can see a road going up. The sky, cloudy. Check these out. So I hope you liked that little walk around Lake Saka. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, so you can see more of these little travel gems, and I'll see you in the next one.